Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Last video I had uploaded of how to do eyebrow at home, and if you want to know how to do eyebrow at home, then please just watch that video. I will link everything in my description box. But today we are going to see a product which is charcoal mask. I know you must be heard about so much of this charcoal mask, but this is reasonable, this is affordable. Affordable means it is really affordable, and I do sell quite some products on my Instagram. I do have an Instagram page where I sell some of the beauty products, some of the clothes and kurta, sari and so many things. So if you are interested to buying from me this product, then it's always welcome. You can comment below or you can connect me to the Instagram. But if you find this product anywhere in the market, then please go for it, buy it. You will not regret it. You will seriously not regret it, because I'm using this product for past maybe now 6 years. I'm using this product for past 6 years and I am just loving it. I'm just loving it. It is just cleared out my skin. It is okay. I never had any issues on my skin, but it has really means this. It has given me the blackhead, the whitehead removes. It cleans it. It really softens your skin, and it's a peel off mask, so it is amazing. But if you are a sensitive person and sensitive skin, if you have a sensitive skin, then if you get really pain when you pull out it, then please don't use it, because it just little bit pains if you have hair, because all the facial hair is also removed and your blackheads and everything is also removed. So this is an amazing product. So further ado, I think this is a lot of introduction, so let's get started. Okay, this is a product today what we are telling, and this is a charcoal mask cream and is anti-blackhead. With me it is 130 gram. And this product, if you don't find this product anywhere, then please comment me down. I will just, it retails for something 250 or something 300. It is 350. I'll just give it in the description box. It is 250 or 300 something. So let's start. This is a pump size it has, and you need to remove it. You can apply it with your brush, your hands, your anything as you prefer, but I prefer applying with my hands only, and I do use it weekly 2 times. Whenever I do my makeup, I use this. It's my go-to, and I just tell you guys that it is not like expensive products are real much more better than the cheaper products. It is not like that. I personally go on with such a products that they work. For me, it just matters that it should work. That's it, and nothing else. So let's start with this. I'm just going to, and I have just finished it. Most of it I have finished it. So I'm just going to remove it like this. And if you are new to charcoal mask, it is black. Don't worry. It clears out your skin. Apply upwards. It is quite thicker in consistency. It is over. I have this backups like insane backups, and let me tell you, it takes like if you are a person who normally applies a mask, it's not a washable mask, it's a peel off mask. So if you apply normally, then it takes 10 to 20 minutes more to dry out to your regular mask. So this is my face, how it is looking, and it is not dried up over here. So we are just going to wait for a few while how it dries off, and I should not speak a lot. So here it is dried up completely, and always whenever you remove a mask, remove it from down to up and just peel off. And after peeling it off, I have done my skincare, and this is how the final looks is there. My skin is glowing and beautiful. I hope you like this video, and please like my video, share with your friends and subscribe.